So the Atlantic hurricane season is over for another year and it's been pretty full on. According to the National Hurricane Centre, 2011 was the sixth busiest season since records began in 1851. There were 19 tropical storms, of which 7 became hurricanes. Satellite images clearly show the path of Hurricane Irene tracking up the east coast of the US in August, the first hurricane to hit New Jersey for over a century. Irene claimed more than 50 lives and caused over $10 billion worth of damage. Just a week later, Hurricane Katia's effects were felt as far away as Scotland and Russia. The NOAA describes the 2011 season as very active, and a team from the University of Colorado are predicting the 2012 hurricane season will once again be more active than normal. So, are we seeing more hurricanes than usual?
Well, in the Atlantic, it's been a very active season. We had 19 tropical storms, although we have to bear in mind that a lot of those storms were actually fairly weak and short-lived. So actually, if you look at some other measures of activity, such as the number of hurricanes, or look at the duration and strength of the storms, it was still above average, but by not such a huge margin. But if you widen things out and look at the whole globe, in fact, it's been fairly quiet in many other parts of the world. For example, in the Western Pacific, there's only been 19 tropical storms. We would normally expect a number somewhere near 27 or so. And in some other regions, it's been quiet as well. So actually, this more than offsets the high activity in the Atlantic. So actually, globally, in the last year or so, it's actually been relatively quiet in terms of tropical cyclones.
Hurricanes form when clusters of thunderstorms gather over warm waters in the Atlantic or Eastern Pacific. Water vapour pushes up from the warm ocean surface and fuels the storm. As more air is sucked in, the warm, moist air starts to rise and spin. Clouds then form as the air cools at the top. As the hurricane gathers strength, a small area is created in the centre known as the eye, where the weather is calm and clear. Surrounding the eye is the eye wall, the most violent part of the storm.